Hi student, we are started our first chapter hereditary and the evolution. First of all, what is the hereditary? Hereditary is the transfer of biological character from one generation to another generation via genes. What is the first generation? First generation is a parents and second generation is a offspring. But it's very important to know about the genes. A gene is the basic physical and fundamental unit of hereditary. Genes are made up of a DNA. Now we introduced about the scientist and the years and what happened in these years by the scientist. In 1886, Johann Gregor Mendel is a pioneer of the modern genetics. In 1906, mutation theory of Hugo de Varies, from which reason behind the sudden change were understood. So, in this mutation, what is the mutation? Mutations means to change, and mutation is nothing but the sudden change occur in the genes. Next point is in 1962, Walter and Sutton observed the paired chromosomes in the cells of the grasshoppers, and research started when he proved that genes are carried via chromosomes. In 1944, trio of scientists. Trio means three scientists. The name of the scientists are Ostwald Avery, Maclix M. C. Carthy, Colin M. C. MacLeod. Proved that these three scientists proved that, except viruses, all living organisms have DNA as a genetic material. In 1961, French geneticist Francisco Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. It helped to uncover the genetic code hidden in DNA. Next one point is that the technique of recombinant DNA technology emerged, which has vast scope in the field of genetic engineering. The most and last important introductory part of us, science of hereditary and the uses. That means what is the use of hereditary? So the first point is production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants. It's helpful and it uses for diagnosis, treatment and prevention of hereditary disorders, and it also used in industrial process in which microbes are used. But what is the genetic code? The four bases of DNA, adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine, are the most important bases which is present in DNA, which is also called as the genetic code. What is the microbes? Microbes are minute unicellular organisms that are invisible to naked eye. Thank you.